Megan from JaMonkey.com, and today we're going to do a big unboxing because we had a huge mail day and got lots of new stuff delivered. So let's take a look at our first box to see what came.
It's a big box.
It's a big box.
It's a big box. Oh my! It's a pumpkin. A white pumpkin.
So our first box is for Incredibles 2. Incredibles 2 is out on digital now, and it will be out on Blu-ray DVD on November 6th. So let's see, what is all this? It's a Halloween activity kit.
Bob's Incredible.
Ooh, we got recipes.
Mommy.
Cool, we got candy.
Look, it's an Edna wig and glasses.
Nice.
Anor.
All right, and we have pumpkins, white pumpkins for crafting.
Here's the candy. Oh, and it says, make your pumpkin look incredible.
Look, it's gonna be a Jack pumpkin. Oh, yay. So it comes in little masks that we can put on them.
Stickers.
And stamps and all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna have fun crafting. Yeah.
And of course we have this.
Ooh, fun Incredibles stuff. Next box. Strong is the new pretty. All right. Let's start pulling stuff out of there. Discover and celebrate your independent, wild, silly, and powerful self. Based on the Kate T. Parker's best-selling book, Strong is the New Pretty, this guided journal helps girls celebrate being themselves. Oh, and we also have the book in here. Strong is the New Pretty, a celebration of girls being themselves. Look at it. So look, it's awesome pictures of little girls doing big things. All right, we also have the guided journal and some pens that we can journal, and it has little writing prompts in it, so we can write about specific things. Never have I ever, but I really want to. Check out the sky on a cloudy day. Look for shapes. Look for a story. What do you see? Draw or write it here. Strong is the new pretty is the motto of this book. What is your motto? Write it here in bold letters. So that's a fun little one. There's some stickers. And the new journal the Strong is the New Pretty guided journal will be out in stores October 30th. Oh, I know what this one is. This is something I ordered, and I'm so excited it finally arrived. It is my Under the Moonlight Pop Funko Jack and Sally. This is a movie moment, and it celebrates the 25 years of A Nightmare Before Christmas.
Oh my gosh. That looks so awesome.
So let's take it out.
Well, that's big.
Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Jack and Sally, they're my favorite.
Mine too.
Oh, I love it. So cute. Snow filled on the valley. So adorable. Love it. Give the gift of story time. Okay. Little Simon board books make the perfect gift for all the young readers in your life. Wrapping paper gift tags and a bundle of books. Find here everything you need to give the gift of story time. Let's see. Yeah, what is this? So we've got some twine and some gift tags.
Books.
Ooh, and board books. Let's see. The Itsy Bitsy School Bus. Ooh, this looks like a good one. Dia de los Muertos. Celebrate the World. Wee Beasties. Rory the Lion roars too loud.
Hello Nights. And there's 5.
This Little Scientist, a discovery primer.
4.
Cool, and then there's some wrapping paper that we can give these books away. That is fantastic. I think we will wrap these up. Since Christmas is around the corner, we like to give gifts to We donate them. We donate them to Toys for Tots and different area things. And then their school actually does a toy drive. So we will wrap these up for a little one that will enjoy these board books. That'll be great. So that is everything we got in our awesome mail day. What did you guys think of everything we got?
Awesome!
Awesome!
I want candy from the biscuit.
I know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna break out Incredibles 2 and watch the movie. What do you think?
Yeah.
Maybe build some pumpkins?
Yeah.
Some super pumpkins. Yeah. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe and check out my website, JaMonkey.com. Bye.
Bye!